In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage customer notifications on Shopify, specifically focusing on setting up notifications for new gift cards. This is a fantastic way to keep your customers informed and engaged with your store. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're all set, head over to your admin area. Now, look for the navigation on the left-hand side and find My Store. This is essentially your home base within Shopify. Clicking here will take you into the main dashboard, where you can see all your store's activities in one place. Next, let's look for the Settings option. You'll find this by scanning the main dashboard screen, usually towards the bottom of the menu options on the left-hand side. Settings is your entryway to managing all the deeper aspects of your store. Click on it and we'll head into a world of customization possibilities. Once you're in the settings, locate the Notifications tab. It's within this area that you can manage all the different alerts and messages your store sends out. Notifications are crucial for keeping both you and your customers in the loop, particularly regarding orders and updates. Give this tab a click and we'll move on to the next step. Now inside the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of notification types. We're focusing on customer notifications today, so go ahead and click on the Customer Notifications option. This will take us into a series of customizable email notifications that you can tailor to fit the needs of your business and your customers. From here, if you look down the list, you'll notice various notification types you can set up, such as order confirmations and shipping updates. Our interest today, however, is with handling gift card notifications. Spot the New Gift Card option. This is the notification that informs your customers when a gift card has been issued to them, either as a purchase or a gift. Click on New Gift Card. At this stage, you're ready to customize the notification email. You can personalize the message to reflect your store's voice and ensure it aligns with your branding. Crafting an effective gift card notification is not just about professionalism, but also about delivering joy and excitement to your customer. A well-worded email can enhance the recipient's experience significantly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Shopify's settings to manage and personalize your customer notifications for new gift cards. This not only helps maintain a professional image for your store, but also enhances customer satisfaction. Stick around for more insights and tips on getting the most out of your Shopify store. Thanks for tuning in.